Kangna and Taapsee locked horns again, with each giving an interview criticizing the other.
जब कोई भी चीज़ कंगना रनौत की होती है ना, तो बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत जगह प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Kangna, who has been launching attack after attack on her colleagues within the industry, took another dig at Taapsee Pannu in the movie Mafia and Powerful People for Sushant's demise, called Taapsee and Swara B-grade actresses who are living examples of the fact that nepotism exists. After Kangna Ranaut called her a B-grade actress and a living example of nepotism, Taapsee Pannu has responded with a strongly worded interview on every allegation made against her by Kangna, who has attacked her repeatedly in recent times. What is Taapsee's stand in this escalating war of words? और क्या अंजाम होगा बॉलीवुड के इन दो टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स के बीच बढ़ते कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का? In an interview to a TV channel, Kangna said, "For me, I have only to lose here, because I know tomorrow they will get some 20 needy outsiders like Taapsee Pannu and Swara Bhaskar who will get up and say, oh, only Kangna has a problem with nepotism. But we love Karan Johar. If you love Karan Johar, why you both are B-grade actresses?" कंगना ने ये भी कहा कि तापसी और स्वरा जैसे टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स को आलिया या अनन्या पांडे की तरह ग्लैमरस प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम ना मिल पाना नेपोटिज्म का नतीजा है. यू आर बेटर लुकिंग देन आलिया भट्ट एंड अनन्या पांडे. यू बोथ आर बेटर एक्ट्रेसेस. व्हाई डोंट यू गेट वर्क? योर होल एग्जिस्टेंस इज अ प्रूफ ऑफ नेपोटिज्म. Taapsee, who has been attacked by Kangna before when she was called Kangna's Sasti copy by Rangoli, has now hit back with an interview where she defended herself against every allegation made by the Panga star.
I'm finally alive. I'm alive.
Speaking exclusively to a publication, Taapsee said, "It's disheartening to see someone make a mockery out of outsiders and the industry that has given us so much." Refuting Kangna's allegations about her loyalty to Karan Johar, Taapsee ने कहा, "So the fact that you don't hate someone she hates is equivalent to you like that person and you suck up to that person? I don't even know him behind formal hi, hello, thank you. How is this even logical?" She added, "I have had my share of struggles, and just because I don't glorify them and deal with them with a positive outlook, Kangna has the right to have an opinion, and so do I. And just because my opinion doesn't match hers doesn't make me inferior." कंगना ने अपने इंटरव्यू में ये भी एलिगेशन लगाया था that it's thanks to nepotism that outsiders don't get the roles they deserve.
हम जो आउटसाइडर्स होते हैं, हम अगर चलते भी हैं, सांस भी लेते हैं ना, तो कुछ लोगों को दिक्कत होती है.
But Taapsee, who had 4 big hits last year, says her work will speak for itself. In the last 3 years, I have been doing at least 4 films every year and have 5 announced films right now. The fact that Kangna and her sister Rangoli try to discredit me and my hard work, call me names, put wrong allegations on me is actually an equal level of harassment, if not more. All this because I refuse to sing her tune and because I refuse to see her as the flag bearer of outsiders, because we all are not bitter people. Taapsee seems to be extremely upset by Kangna's repeated and unprovoked attacks against her, especially someone who, like her, has gained recognition purely on the basis of her acting talent. The Thappar star also attacked Kangna indirectly, accusing her of using Sushant's demise to further her own anger and vendetta against those she holds a grudge against in the business. "I refuse to be bitter. I refuse to take advantage of someone's death for personal vendetta, and I refuse to make mockery out of the industry that gave me bread and identity." Taapsee received plenty of support online from her colleagues within the industry who shared posts on social media in her support. Richa Chadda, who worked with Kangna in Panga, wrote, "Thanks Taapsee for highlighting that the need of the hour is solidarity and sanity. When shoots have come to a standstill, cast and crew have no jobs, we must create a positive work culture. Let's desist from anything counterproductive that will increase toxicity in our industry." Sayani Gupta and Swara Bhaskar also thanked Taapsee for speaking up, while stand-up comic and actor Veer Das wrote, "For those obsessed with that stuff, there may be A, B, C or D list celebrities. There are no B-grade artists. Hey Taapsee, you put the A in artist. It's unfortunate कि इस मुश्किल घड़ी में बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज हैव बीन अनेबल टू टेक एन यूनाइटेड स्टैंड और कम टुगेदर टू सॉर्ट आउट एनी रियल इश्यूज और grievances faced by some members of the fraternity. One can only hope that as the industry battles so many pandemic-related issues, actors and filmmakers can come together to make the movie business stronger and kinder for everyone.